Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day. From groundbreaking inventions to shocking historical moments, we've got it all covered. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into today in history.
22nd February has been a significant date in history, marked by notable events in Tamil Nadu, India, and around the world. In Tamil Nadu, 2018, all-party meeting on Kaveri issue. On 22nd February 2018, the Tamil Nadu government convened an all-party meeting to discuss the Supreme Court's verdict on the Kaveri water dispute. This meeting aimed to deliberate on the state's response and future actions concerning the water-sharing arrangements with neighboring states. NDTV 2024, Conclusion of Assembly Session. The first Assembly Session of Tamil Nadu for the year 2024 concluded on 22nd February. The session included discussions on the Governor's address, presentation of the general and agriculture budgets, and deliberations on supplementary estimates. The New Indian Express. In India, 1944, passing of Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi, the wife of Mahatma Gandhi and a prominent figure in India's independence movement, passed away on 22nd February 1944. She was actively involved in various civil rights campaigns and worked alongside her husband in the struggle for freedom. News 9 Live. 1958, Death of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, a senior leader of the Indian National Congress and the First Minister of Education in independent India, died on 22nd February 1958. He was instrumental in shaping the nation's education system and promoting scientific and cultural development. News 9 Live. Worldwide, 1732, Birth of George Washington. George Washington, the first President of the United States and a pivotal leader during the American Revolutionary War, was born on 22nd February 1732. He is often referred to as the father of his country for his crucial role in founding the nation. News 9 Live. 1797, the last invasion of Britain began near Fishguard, Wales. 1819, Spain ceded Florida to the United States through the Adams-Onis Treaty. 1943, execution of the White Rose members. On this day in 1943, Sophie Scholl, Hans Scholl, and Christoph Probst, members of the nonviolent resistance group White Rose in Nazi Germany, were executed for their opposition to the regime. Their courageous efforts have since been commemorated as a symbol of resistance against tyranny. Wikipedia. 1958, Formation of the United Arab Republic. On 22nd February 1958, Egypt and Syria merged to form the United Arab Republic, a political union aimed at fostering pan-Arab unity. This union, however, was short-lived, dissolving in 1961. Wikipedia. 1973 Cold War. Following President Richard Nixon's visit to the People's Republic of China, the two countries agreed to establish liaison offices. Wikipedia. 1980, Miracle on Ice. During the Winter Olympics in Lake Placid, New York, the U.S. ice hockey team achieved a stunning victory over the heavily favored Soviet Union team, a match famously dubbed the Miracle on Ice. This unexpected win remains one of the most celebrated moments in sports history. Wikipedia. 1997, Announcement of Dolly the cloned sheep. On 22nd February 1997, scientists announced the successful cloning of Dolly, the first mammal cloned from an adult somatic cell. This breakthrough in genetic engineering opened new avenues in scientific research and bioethics discussions. News 9 Live. 2011, Christchurch earthquake. A devastating earthquake struck Christchurch, New Zealand, resulting in significant loss of life and extensive damage to the city. The disaster prompted a massive recovery and rebuilding effort in the years that followed. Wikipedia. Birth anniversaries. Mahesh Chandra Nairatna Bhattacharya, 1836, a renowned Sanskrit scholar and principal of Sanskrit College. Maharaja Chamarajendra Wadyar X, 1863, the 23rd Maharaja of Mysore, known for his progressive reforms and patronage of the arts. Indalal Kanhayalal Yagnik, 1892, an independence activist, writer, and filmmaker, who led the Mahagujarat movement. Death anniversaries. Kasturbai Gandhi, 1944, wife of Mahatma Gandhi and a prominent figure in the Indian independence movement. Abul Kalam Azad, 1958, an independence activist, scholar, and India's first Minister of Education. These events highlight the diverse historical significance of 22nd February across different regions and fields.